In this quick video, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word document without losing formatting. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So this is the PDF which I want to convert to Word document. You can see it here. So for that, firstly we need to open Microsoft Word in our computer. I'll open it in my PC and now take a moment to load and then click on open just like so. Then click on browse to browse your file and now locate your file. It was in my desktop. This was the PDF file. I'll select it and then click on open. Now Microsoft Word will give you this pop-up where it will say you that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. We just need to tap on OK. Then my PDF file will be imported in my Microsoft Word. Now all we need to do is go to file, then click on export in bottom, and then we just need to click on change file type from here and select the first option, which is document, and then click on save as. Now name your file. I'll name it example and change your file type as Word document from here and then click on save just like so. Now if I go back to my desktop, you can see example file is now converted to Word document from PDF. That's the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.